Hello guys, welcome back. In today's tutorial, we'll be suffering the challenge, this Christmas special challenge. Um, the challenge says we should order the Christmas special offer of 2014. Okay, that we should order this offer. And we can actually read the hint here. The first hint says we should find out how the application handles unavailable products and try to find a loophole. You can as well find out the application hide deleted products from its customers. Okay, so uh, we know that this uh, search button is vulnerable to SQL injection. So that will be our loophole. So let's open up our Zap. You can use Bob Suits, but in my own case, I'm using Zap. In this page, we are going to enter the URL. That's the and we launch the browser. Now we'll be able to catch any request and we'll be able to catch and edit any kind of requests coming from uh, this interface. So firstly, we have to just make some little requests. We want to search this product. We just search some random product, say orange. Okay, let's go to our Zap and on the site we should look for the address where we are exploring. So this is the address. So let me just switch to request. So we are looking for the search request. So it should be rest. And we have the product and then we have search. Okay. All right. So we have this product and search. So we uh run it with a request editor. If you are using PubSuite, you can just click on when you get the request, you can click on Ctrl R to send it to repeater so that you'll be able to edit the request. All right. So this is the URL that is vulnerable to SQL injection. So we just want to list the this product and see the response. So we have this response. Okay. We have this response, but we want to list all since this URL is vulnerable to SQL injection. So that gives us the opportunity to list all the products, even the hidden products from the user. We can actually list them, and to do that, we just have to insert some payload. We have this single quotes, and then we close the bracket, and we comment the rest of the query out like this. So with that, it lists all the products for us. Okay, we should have all the products. Okay, let me change this one to we have all the products, but we were unable to, we can't read it very well on Zap. So I will send it to browser. I open it up in browser so that we can read it very well. So we have a juice. Okay. I think we are listing a certain product. What if we do it like this? All right, now we should see all the products and we can open it in just gonna put it like this. All right. So this is all the products in the products tables, and we just have to look for Christmas special. Okay, for Christmas special. So we have this lemon juice, we have this banana juice, we have OWASP Juice Shop, and we find this Christmas super surprise box, which is 2014. If we look at the tags, it says we should order the Christmas special offer, which is 2014, and we actually get the product. This is the product. So all we need here is just to get the ID, and we know that the ID is 10. All right. So the next thing we want to do is uh we want to all right, from here we want to add some stuff into our basket. And before we check out, we intercept and change the checkouts. We intercept and change the checkouts, change the ID of the product into ID 10, which is this Christmas special. So to do that, you just have to log in. So by the way, the first login, we have the first okay, the first challenge here, we actually solve it now, which is we should log in as the admin. Okay, so we will do it now. So to log in as the admin, we just have to input some single quotes like this and say, or then we say true. You say true, then we comment the rest out. We can just put in some random password. So the reason why this works is because this whole login page is vulnerable to SQL injection. And when the login page is vulnerable to SQL injection, the user is able to anything the user is entering into this input is in form of a query, not data. So the application will treat it as a query, not as data. So with that, we can just log in as the first, as any random. With this code, we can log in as any random user, but the random user will basically be the number one user, which is the admin. So with that, we can be able to log in as the admin. But in a case where we know the email of the admin, we can just instead of this true, we can just put in the admin email here. We can put in the admin email and give it some single quote like this, then we comment the rest out. So just say true, or we can say 1 equals 1, because 1 equals 1 will always be true. And we have solved the challenge. All right, so now we have to add some stuff into our basket. We have to add some stuff into our basket because we have like 3 items in our basket, so we won't be confused. We just have to like, so now we have this one, so we just click on checkout. Now the request has been captured from SAP. Let's go back to the request. So let's go for basket items. Okay. Should see API basket items. It should be here. Okay, let's try it again. So to be sure if we're in the right place. Okay, click on checkout, and we have these 3 deleted. So we can continue. Should have it here. Should have the request here. Okay, let's check it. Let's go back to the page. We have 1 basket. Okay, but our basket is saying 0. Let's try to add some product again. Just kind of some error. Okay, we have 3 products now. So all right, we have 2 products, but we added 3. Okay, no problem. All right, so let's check out. All right, the request should capture now. Okay, we can get the request, and we have the product ID, we have the quantity. If you look at the response, we have this one. We have the product ID. Okay, this is what we are going to edit. This is what we are going to edit, and we just put the product ID of the Christmas special. Okay, so we have to like send it to request editor. If you're on Bob Suit, you can do Control R to send it to repeater. Okay, this is the product ID. We just put 10, and then we send it. Then we send it, and if we go back, so go back here, we should see Christmas super here, and we can check out. Click on continue. Just click on. And we have successfully solved the challenge. If we go back to our scoreboard, yeah, yeah. If we go back to our scoreboard, see there is Christmas special challenge has been solved. All right, that will be the end of this tutorial. If you find this video helpful, you can do it, subscribe, and follow for more tutorial on this challenge. Thank you.